In this video, basically gonna learn what exactly is scrapping. We'll see how to scrap, and also we're gonna learn what exactly is object-oriented programming. So here we're gonna learn it in Python. So let's begin. So first we're gonna scrap a few many things. So first we'll have to, for scrapping we have to import these stuff called as import tree, and we're gonna import URL lib. So URL lib is a kind of method or import that we have to import for scrapping. So we're gonna import URL lib.request, and after that what we'll do is we're gonna do first go to Google. You're gonna get that, and second one what we're gonna do is we're gonna say Rediff. Say Rediff. And after the Rediff, you have to go for Yahoo. Let's take Yahoo. Yahoo. Like this. And now first let's come to Google. What we should do is we're going to copy this link up. You have to paste it over here. Here. And next you're supposed to come to Rediff. Okay, you have to reload. You have to come to Rediff, and Yahoo, you're going to copy like this, paste it over here. First what you have to do, you have to create a list kind. We're going to say sites is equal to. Okay, let's just research it. I'm going to say Rediff. Like this. You're going to get this, click on this. And later what you're supposed to do is you have to copy this link up here. After it comes, you have to copy this link and paste it over here. So as we have many, like you have 3 of them, you created a list, and you're going to create a for condition, for loop. You're going to say for s in sites, print searching in this. Searching in, like you're going to say searching in HTTP, you're searching in Google, you're searching in Yahoo, you're searching in this Rediff, like that. And then you're going to say u is equal to URL dot request URL open. So you're basically requesting for it to open, like just like a web, yeah, it's just like a website to say. And then you're going to say text is equal to u dot read. This u dot read. And if you want, you can just do this. If you do this, the thing is going to happen is, yes, so okay, sorry. So the thing it's gonna do is it's just gonna print out the title of it. So Google is gonna print out Google Rediff.com. If you remove this up, also it's just gonna print and give a bit more. You can see here Yahoo India. Okay, title. Yeah, so this is a problem. You have to print out the title. It is just going to give that. So what you have to do is you have to print out the title. You're going to say, so you guys understood, when you remove this, it's not going to print the title up. It's going to just print Yahoo India. All the time it's just going to print Yahoo India. So if you want to get the correct title, just put out this. And you're going to get all the title over here. And after we get the title, we are going to ignore the case and everything, and you're going to print the links over here. See, if you want to go to Google, you can just click on it, you're going to get Google. If you want to go here to Rediff, if you want to go to Yahoo. So all of them you're going to get like this. So now we know how exactly we are going to scrap. You can do scrapping in many other ways, but I prefer to URL lib and using pandas, both of them. And now we know what exactly is scrapping, and we know how to scrap. Scrapping basically means you get the data from a website. You get the data from anywhere. That's it means. So now we know what exactly is scrapping. How do we scrap? Now let's come to object-oriented programming. What exactly is object-oriented programming? So let's take that we have created a function like this, saying we have to convert centigrade to Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna create a function saying that C to F, and this value is gonna be, the needed one is gonna be C. Like we have to give the value for C. And then you're going to say F is equal to the formula of it. C into 9 divided by 5 plus 32. So this is the formula, and then we're going to return the F. You're going to, call this function saying C to F, and you're going to give whatever the value is. Rather than return, you can also just write print print f. This is also gonna work. Yes, you can see. So both of them are almost the same. So here in object oriented programming, what you're supposed to do is you're gonna create a class. Basically, you're gonna just create an object. Like you can think like everything inside pandas is just gonna be an object. You can just think that this URL lib, we call it as a library. But what exactly computer thinks, it's just like just an object, because it has already, like the person who have created this has already like done this before. I mean, they have already created many methods and many functions and many they have basically created classes to do this. So that's how they did this. So in object oriented, we're going to create a class first. We're going to name this class as convert. So we're going to convert this C to F, no? So we're going to do this centigrade to Fahrenheit. Then here inside, what you're going to do is you're going to say def underscore init. This is basically inside this you're going to write the values that you need. Here it's not the same. Here in object oriented, you have to write a class. Inside that you have to write this def init, and inside that you have to write this. So I'm going to say self.c is equal to c. So self.c, the value that we give c. Self.c is equal to c, and then you're going to create the function, the main function saying def.c to f. And you're going to give this parenthesis called as self. I mean, you're going to give this called as self, this value of self. You're going to get the value of self over here. So self basically means c. That's why you're going to say self.c is equal to c. And then you're going to give the formula for it, saying f is equal to self.c into 9 divided by 5 plus 32. And then you're going to print this value of the f that says Fahrenheit, and you're going to say is f. So you can see 89.6 and the same value 89.6. So this is what object oriented programming means. Inside that you have many types of variables. If you have not yet watched my types of variables video, please do watch it up. So yeah, now we know basically what exactly is scrapping, how do we scrap, we know what exactly is object oriented programming, and we know basically how to use it a bit. That's great.